I'm going to start out with the child's pose. So you kneel on your knees and you lean forward and you put your hands out. It's the middle of the day, so the situation with doing that is the male person might come up on my porch to bring mail while I'm out here doing yoga. Okay, and the next pose is the happy pose. My foot one in front of the other. The pose shows to tuck the leg, but I'm really trying to get some my hips to relax. So you just do like the prayer mountain pose with your, I do my fingers wide apart, kind of pressing in, elbows up, wrists down. The third pose is a traction twist pose. And you put your knees one, like this foot is ending where this knee is starting, and then just down a little. I think you're trying to lay on your back. Your head is the opposite way of the feet, I think. I can't tell by my stick figure, so that's the way I'm doing it. If you can see on the video, my knees are actually up off of the ground, which means I super need this pose. So then I'm just gonna, there's a glare on my screen, so I hope you can see. So, and this leg is worse than the other side. This knee is very, very far up. So this all is tight all here, which is why I need this pose. And so then I look towards the camera, I hope you can see me. And then there is this, I don't know, it's in Sanskrit, and I don't know how to pronounce any of the Sanskrit names. It's something SUPTA, PADANGUSTHASANA or something. I have no idea. But what I do know is you put your foot out like this, and this arm like this, and this arm like this. And I'm doing core strengthening breathing. So I'm breathing down into the lower part of my lungs, making my belly raise, and then breathing in toward my tucking my belly button, back toward my spine when I breathe out. So, and again, I don't really want to do this side. This is actually really stretching my back, which needs it. I've been sanding my staircase. Oh my goodness. Alright. And then I think the last one is a standing pose. So I hope that you can see me. I may be headless. Oh, that's good. Except there's a little branch here. Alright. Again, fingers are wide apart. And then I'm pressing hands in toward each other. Elbows up, wrist down. Jaw soft. And enjoy life, everybody.